Let's get this over with, opening 127 packs. All of my life has led to this. I wonder in which direction, but I guess it makes most sense to go top to bottom.
Golden Comet! Golden Legendary!
All of my life has led to this, and let's get it over.
Rare!
If you know if there is a way to,
Rare!
some other way to do this, like not one by one, like something like open all, let me know in the comments.
Rare! 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 Golden Comet!
Golden common. I guess I'm looking for
Rare!
some mage cards and some paladin cards. Mage I'm looking
Rare!
for elementals, and paladin I'm looking for something murloc, but not really.
Rare! Epic! Cool! Rare! 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 Rare!
I don't think I'm recording tabs, but oh well, too bad. I want it all in one.
Rare!
In one video. I'm not going to restart now. Golden common.
Rare! Rare! Legendary!
So by the end of those Lost City packs,
Epic!
I will be around halfway, right? Because I had 127 and
Rare!
there was like 60 of those.
Rare!
Okay, the video is 40.
Rare!
Let me see how much time it takes me to get to 10 of these.
Rare!
I need to keep in mind that I probably still have the 15 minutes long
Rare!
video limit on YouTube. What was that? Okay, perhaps there is a way to open
Rare!
more at the same time, is there? Oh! Yes, let's go. Okay, so this is now going definitely to fit in the 15 minutes video. Okay, nice. Highlights.
Legendary! Epic!
Okay, so this one was brought to you, this learning experience brought to you live. Why cannot? Oh. let's pick one, then pick one. Okay.
Epic! Rare!
Nice.
Epic! Signature legendary!
I bet that yields a lot in disenchanting.
Legendary!
I had this sheet on Warlock Arena once. Yeah, this looks unplayable too. Oh. Will you just let's go?
Rare!
These cards look good.
Rare!
These cards look good. Why is this not working anymore? I need to have 5 at least? Okay.
Rare!
Still beats opening this one by one. Into the infinity.
Rare!
Coconut Cannoneer, yeah, I was looking for that one. Or was I? I don't remember.
Epic!
So these are like best, huh? Because they have everything that can be played in standard. Priest epic. What's this? Why is it highlighted? Ah, golden rare, huh? Golden rare, but must be worth a lot in disenchanting. Can I see it? No, I won't bother. No packs. Okay, we've made it. Let's also see how much I can disenchant. Nice. Okay. So only 2 missing for Pala and still 4 missing for Mage. No, I want to... I guess I will do the crafting video later, if I am to make a video. Also, let's see the achievements. Nice. The human brain wants to be rewarded for the toil. I wonder what's the next tier of this 7, 10, and then what? Okay, gain a point. Ooh, his volcano. Reminds me of Civilization 6. Thank you for watching.